everybody. I'm Miss Aurora Cacay Vargas. Today's class is about connected speech. Before, I'm going to read a little text, the importance of phonetics. Introduction. The technological and educational advance and innovation that embody our social context on a daily basis, creating the need to learn a second language, and this in English being a very tedious language for many, because the communication skill in English, speech, pronunciation, listening, and reading have been presenting difficulties due to the fact that the vast acquired in primary school are very deficient in even in secondary school. Students who do not like this subject. This introductory course to phonetics and to address difficulties that English learners have when pronouncing, providing, and overview of phonetics. Its nature, the symbols used in English phonetics, among other aspects. Topic: connected speech. It is continued taking where there is a difference between the pronunciation of complete sentences in which the speech is connected. Different processes take place in connected discourse whereby sounds are linked intermediately, disappear, or even change. Four important aspects in connected speech: rhythmic, like in songs, assimilation, elision, or phonetic flow. Rhythmic. English is now a rhythmical language, and the rhythm is detectable in the regular sequence of stressed syllables. Like in songs, refers to the way of joining the pronunciation of the words that are easy to pronounce and flow together. Assimilation. Phonetic assimilation means that a sound changes to be more like the following sounds. Variation of the sounds, and this makes articulation easier. Elision or phonetic loss is the elimination or loss of one or more sounds in a word or set of words. Example: I can't stand the rain. Example 2. It must be time to leave. Example 3. I'm in the first person here. Example 4. I don't want it. Some rules for elision. T and T, when they appear in end round consonants. Example: we arrived the next day. T, elite between K and T. Next, we bought a lovely car. Started the elite between B and C. Rule 2. Of can appear in a tonic syllable. Next, I love your clever promise well, perhaps. That's an interesting idea. It's a question of correct responsibility. Rule 3. B can disappear in or before consonants. Examples: my birthday on the 11th November. It a conflict with the time. That delays my words. Okay? Activity 1. Put in front of each phrase in the second column the phonetic transcription with the sound to be omitted, and in the third column without the edited sounds. Sentence phrase: no elision, elision. She doesn't not travel to Cartagena on Friday. Marianne doesn't not like hot dog. I woke you up 7 in the morning. At a sandwich. Where do you live? Okay, thank you.